Craig Gass is here. GetGass.com is the website, and on Instagram and Twitter, you can find him at Craig Gass Comedy. Gas with 2 S's. News. Some breaking news. It looks like Bill O'Reilly officially out at Fox News.
Really?
More interesting to us, something that we might actually care about here on The Woody Show. Ikea has been serving up their meatballs and other Swedish classics since they first opened their stores in 1958. Yeah. And now the company's looking for ways to take their restaurants to the next level by opening standalone cafes.
No way.
Everybody got super stoked.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Really? I told you, we don't really care about Bill O'Reilly at all.
Yeah.
But I tell you what, you tell me that someone's opening up a restaurant, you've got our attention.
Dude, they have more than just meatballs?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they got all kinds of stuff.
Oh, I didn't know
You
that.
go to the Burbank location here, right? And it's like in the middle of the day, and it's kind of dead, the parking lot, but the cafe
Bumping.
packed.
Really?
Yeah. It's like
The energy in this room
Yeah.
from story
Really
number
shifts.
1 to
Yeah.
story number 2. It's like story number 1 was like, I don't know. I mean, if you really think about it.
Yeah.
I mean, and then story number 2 is meatballs. Like, what? Are you
Cameron,
serious?
weren't you just telling me that the sickest you've ever gotten on food poisoning was on IKEA meatballs?
Oh, yeah. For like 48 hours, just nonstop
you
vomit.
just have a weak system.
Fake news.
God, Cameron.
Fake news.
But no, to Greg's point, they don't have.
That's fair.
Yeah.
Here's the 951 impression of the Woody Show from the text. In other news, someone cured cancer. Yeah. IKEA restaurant. What?
Yes.
That's so good.
This is a true story that I just read, that North Korea had a parade this morning where they showed visual imagery of bombs blowing up the United States.
Cool.
And IKEA is going to sell meatballs in their own restaurant! Let me get a DLT and a crunch wrap. Blast in my cup, yeah, you know that. That was a snack, now I need a Big Mac. Meatball, bitch!
It's going down for real.
Yeah.
And Menace, for this Burbank IKEA, you got to remind people, there is the upstairs food court, but
yeah.
downstairs, the bonus grab-and-go area where the
Yes,
pizza and stuff is. You got to hit both.
I mean, everybody knows that.
Yeah.
It's going down for real.
You got to get your ice cream on the way out. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
In your
Hell yeah.
sports
And-
news, kind of a sad story. Aaron Hernandez apparently took his life this morning.
Oh.
And in other news, IKEA is going to open up their own meatball shop!
Number 9 on the list, Los Angeles and Long Beach.
Oh, no.
And number 10, Reno, Carson City, Fernley, Nevada.
Oh.
So the top 10 most
Sweet.
polluted cities
Well, we're owning it.
In America.
in America.
And they all happen to be West Coast.
6 out of 10 are in California, and then you got Alaska. Yeah, all of them.
Wow.
Wow.
Sweet.
Yeah, look at that.
That makes no sense at all.
But them meatballs, though.
Hell yeah.
But it is a good point, though. Like, California does tout itself as being very green aware.
We